What's going on, guys? Welcome along to today's video. This is the first day in about a week that it's been dry. There are some dirty clouds over there, but mostly today it should hold out. Last week been raining, week before that it's been snowing, so today there is a break in the weather. So I'm currently heading over to Brenson's to take out their Honda CRF 300L, but that's not what this video is about. This is my new toy. If you have been following along with it, got rid of my GT and I've bought this 2019 GS Adventure. I promise you guys a little walk around. So before we get to Branson's, let's have a little look at this bike. This is now the second time I've taken this bike out and I'm still loving this thing. So a little walk around, show you what it's got on it, and have a little discussion of what I want to do with it. As you can tell, she is in the traditional BMW colours of red, white and blue with those gold wheels. I think this bike looks absolutely beautiful, and you know, bias me, I think these are definitely the best colours. Let's start at the front of the bike and then work our way around, show you all the little bits that's got on it. The owner before me definitely loved his bike. He's got lots of protection on it. Starting off at the very front, then we have got this Wunderlich headlight guard. Can pop out, so you can rotate it down, clean that area and then put it back up. Right above that we've got a concept guard. What I like about it, on the left hand side it does have a GoPro mount, so I'll be able to get some extra footage, always handy. When I say this bike is covered in protection, coming down to the front calipers we've got Wunderlich protection on both sides. Up underneath we have got Evo guards on the radiators, another Evo protection down there. Got the fog lights, but they've also got the Wunderlich. I'm probably absolutely destroying that name, Wunderlich. They've got the guard on that as well. Moving up here, we have got the EvoTech handguard protectors, bark busters. You won't be able to tell in the video, but this bike does also have the clear film protection coating all over the bike to stop any of the scratches. On the centre stand we've got this extra protection plate. Moving up, rear brake cover, Wunderlich down here. It's going to be the housing for the cables for the exhaust valves inside. Bring us onto the exhaust nicely. The Akrapovic, that is designed for the HP. Something I missed at the front, we have got the front spools, and leads us nicely to the rear. We've also got the rear spools on the centre, crash protection there, Wunderlich on the rear brake. So the centre stand guard is Wunderlich as well. We have a guard concept on that joint there. We've got the Wunderlich extension foot. Gives you more of a surface area when you are stopping off-road. This bike was absolutely spotless when I got it. Just a little bit dirty now, but this time of year, Somerset, it's going to get dirty, it's going to get muddy, it's going to get the salt. But I'm not too precious about it. I want to take a bit of green laning, I want to do a bit off-roading on this, so let's face it, it's going to get dropped. A couple of things so far that I personally don't like. When I test rode the 1250 GSA 2022, it actually had the GS screen on it. I much preferred the GS screen over this GSA screen, so I'm going to buy the little attachment and see if that helps. If not, I'll be getting rid of this and getting a different screen. Next obvious thing is going to be the luggage. I'm going to go for soft panniers, so I'm looking at the Lone Riders or the Boomots, and then maybe a hard top box just for shoving in extra kit when myself and Zoe start doing a bit of touring. This being the Adventure model, it does have the Adventure pegs, which means they're just straight metal, so that means there's not much vibration dampening in them. I'm going to buy some rubber inserts and I'm going to get them from Nippy Normans. Seems to be anyone getting anything from their BMW gets it from Nippy, and that should hopefully just soften some of the vibrations coming out from the engine through the pegs. Last couple of bits, I'm going to grab a phone holder for the original BMW cradle. I've got my quad lock mount that's going to go on the bike as well, so when I do get a sat nav will go at the top, phone will go down on the quad lock case, quad lock mount, and we should be good to go. Apart from that, hopefully not going to spend too much money sorting this bike out because it's got pretty much everything. Main things are going to be a little bit of vibrations in the pegs and the luggage. As you can tell, this is why I normally wear a hat. My hair is getting long, but perks of leaving the army. So hope you've enjoyed this quick walk around of my 2019 GSA. As mentioned at the start, I am taking out the Honda CRF 300, so stay tuned for that video dropping hopefully this coming Monday. If you have enjoyed this quick walk around, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more videos coming on this BMW. And until the next one, ride safe.